Hey, what's up, blockchain community? I want to talk about this hot ICO. No, just kidding. There's no ICO. I actually want to talk about Gitcoin, and this is the second video I made. But I want to talk about why you should care about Gitcoin if you are a designer or developer, and you're interested in kind of like breaking into the cryptocurrency space. Um, so just like a little background, I have fallen in love with Gitcoin for like the last week and been on the Slack and looking at a lot of the issues and tasks and just like really excited about where open source can go and where this idea of funding bounties that are open source and how a community can grow out of that. And I think for people, designers and developers who therefore like want to get involved, Gitcoin provides a really nice entry and a really nice path. To start contributing both to open source projects and to get paid doing it. That's interesting because like anybody in the world now can kind of like come to this website and if you know what you're doing and whether that's design and HTML and CSS and like JavaScript, or you're also doing blockchain related stuff and like Ethereum and Solidity and you want to help other projects grow, Gitcoin is providing that ecosystem. And in particular, like the last like couple of weeks, just from someone who's been, around a little bit and maybe spending too much time on Gitcoin, it's like just been a constant influx of people on the Slack and just new projects and new tasks. And so it's starting to grow. It's starting to get momentum. There's more people who are asking, how do I post bounties? How do I find qualified engineers or developers or designers? So anyways, as 2018, is upon us, it's interesting, like these new models are coming, like a new paradigm shift in a sense of how we organize and how we raise funds and how do we scale open source. And there seems to be a lot of smart people coming and drawn to this idea, and people who have either been in this space for like years already or have just now like dipping their toes in the water. Gitcoin is making a holistic ecosystem. In my opinion, it's catering to a rather large audience of all experiences, of all skills. Even the website really, takes attention to this, and it even uses language that is inviting, and it shows that it is welcoming to a lot of people. So props to Gitcoin for really making that initiative and just making that well known that that's their focus. So like I just want to like look at some of these bounties real quick because there is a lot, and they've particularly grown in this last week. Everything, and a lot of them are like Ethereum based at the moment, and like smart contracts and just like tools around, gas, because that's been the issue recently. Like even if I we'll look at some of the claimed ones, right? There's like a React component to visualize gas price and confirmation time, MetaMask gas price preview, design and sales pitch, where people can pitch project ideas. Like there's just like a lot of different ideas. A lot of these are being funded by Gitcoin itself at the moment. Kind of like dog fooding itself, I think. Yeah, is the term dog food. Eat your own dog food. So it's growing though, and that's what I think I want to share the most with designers and developers is like this space has an opportunity if you want to get involved in open source and you want to get paid to do that, and you find also cryptocurrency and blockchain and specifically Ethereum exciting, then you should really check out Gitcoin. And I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of interest in this space, not only for businesses and organizations, but the developers, the designers, the engineers. Everyone's going to want better ways to fund projects that matter to all of us. Essentially, using economies of scale, so more people are getting paid, more businesses getting done. There's more tools available to the community, more solutions come out. Right? Like that's an incentive for everyone. We all want these things, and so Gitcoin is making that space, and that's really exciting. That's something that doesn't exist, or maybe doesn't exist quite in this shape yet. There's a couple people working on it. And even in the back end, it seems like teams are joining forces to make like this super bounty network. So like I said, designer, developer, and if you haven't checked out Gitcoin, you should check it out.